Welcome to the newly redesigned Del Mar Owner Portal. We're still working behind the scenes, but we want to give you a quick tour of what's now available to you. Visit mydelmar.com and you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. You should have received a separate email with instructions on how to set them up. If you have not received the email, please contact your client manager for assistance. Inside the portal, you will find the main dashboard with your name, main menu, and your home's ID number or drop-down menu if you own more than one home. The main content area features all of your open service tickets. Soon, we'll be offering a full archive of all past service tickets related to your home. Click on the View Ticket button to open a detailed view, as well as Message Center where you can communicate with us at any time. Navigate back to the dashboard by pressing Back to All Tickets. Click Book My Visits to reserve the dates when you would like to use your home. Simply complete the booking section and you'll be all set. Very soon you'll be able to see the full calendar again with your reserved dates. Next on the menu is a Submit Service Request. Click here to be redirected to the Service Request page. Fill out the form, upload relevant pictures, authorize and submit. Once you travel back to the main dashboard, you will see the newly created tickets at the top of the list. We are excited to launch new features in the near future, like full financial reporting and more. In the meantime, we hope you enjoyed this great tool designed to make your life simpler. Don't hesitate to give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks.